Hey superstars, happy March. It's Magi Helena. Here is your astrological forecast for March 2023 using scientific multidimensional astrology. As a syndicated columnist, my Your Daily Astrology Horoscopes have millions of readers. See a link in the text below to get my column into your newspaper or find my forecasts online. As mother of algorithms, I've turned complex astrology into simple tools. Simple astrology isn't remotely accurate enough to be actionable. And accurate astrology is not simple. When you don't want to do all the calculations yourself, check out my instant personal astrology calendars and love compatibility reports. Please subscribe here on YouTube and then click that bell on the right so you'll know as soon as new astrology videos debut. I'll be offering some free classes in 2023. Get on the list. There's a link in the text below this video. March is only a so-so month. Its best days are only best available. Though if you just have to do something and your personal cycles are strong, these days could work for you. Remember that any first, a first face-to-face, starting a new business or job, starting a new doctor, facialist or hairstylist, even starting a new medication or beauty product, creates a ruling chart which will powerfully influence whatever you started. To see a list of the most important things which do create firsts, click a link in the text under Show More. The first pair of best days in March have some nice Chiron energy. Chiron can help everything. Chiron's magic supports love as well as career. Chiron is the magical goodie bag. Chiron is your fairy godmother. Chiron is so powerful and so helpful. Please get your Chiron meanings right. Don't wounded healer yourself into living life without your soulmate because belief-based pop astrology gets Chiron wrong. The research shows the truth. Chiron rules soulmates and career. Get this right and you can really uplevel your life. We get a quick worst day blip, then we roll into a 3-day run of best days. I don't love these days. They're certainly among the best available for March. However, all three have nice Jupiter energy along with some other helpful enhancements. These days orient toward assisting you with both love and money if your personal cycles agree. This awful pair of worst days mid-March has peaking or tightly progressing, heartbreak and nuclear clashes. These are days to absolutely sit out for anything important. Don't make trouble, don't make major decisions, don't meet anyone new, and triple check your work on these days. We have some various singleton days, including St. Patrick's Day, which is a worst day. Then, near mid-month, we roll into 4 worst days. The reasons these 4 days are worst vary somewhat, but among them are heartbreaks, nuclear clashes, and some very dark Lilith geometry. Stay under the radar during these days and don't initiate or decide anything. Get DIY info for calculating your personal transits and get a coupon. Click Show More. If you like this video, please click like. Thank you. If there's someone that should see this video, please share it with them. Remember, subscribe on YouTube for more astrology videos. And please come visit me on MagiHelena.com. Get your timing right at long last. Understand current and past relationships. Do powerful self-work. Get there now. Text astrology to 51555. So, I got a very interesting question recently. Where to draw the line between believing in personal power to influence reality versus using timing to influence outcomes? This is a great question, and it's true. We all have enormous personal power for manifestation. The more you evolve and learn to control your mind, the more you control your emotions, inner peace, health, success, and more. There's a lot you can control while incarnate here on Earth. However, only the most evolved beings can influence natural laws, such as gravity. So until you're at that level of transcendence, the stars will impact you. Surrendering to what is an element of mastery. Working with the tools at hand and within given limitations is basically all we've got. Do your best and nudge timing whenever you can for your very best outcomes. Wishing you a truly marvelous March.